everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Bagapie geopack add-on. It's a great tool that simplifies your Blender workflow. It enables you to group your geometry nodes and assign custom actions for steps during their addition. Also, we have Bagapie assets if you want to install them too. For this add-on, saving valuable time and simplifying complex node trees for different assets if you want to add them into your scene. Additionally, you can link an asset library and export everything to a .geopack file, which can be easily installed by anyone. Your packs belong to you. Share them, sell them, and send them to your team. Do whatever you want with those assets. So let's get started. If you want to watch an introduction and some prerequisites for this add-on in the first video, check the first part of the Bagapie tutorial. I will put the link in the description to buy it on Blender Market. Also, if you want to get the free version without assets, and if you wanted to buy the full version, also I think it costs $199. So let's get started explaining the add-on. Let's begin with the installation of the add-on. Go over edit, hit preferences, then add-ons, then click on install and navigate to the file where you have stored your zip file. Then click on install, then start, refresh. Go over here, click on N to show this panel, this right side panel shown here. Click on the Bagapie. We need just to use a hotkey, which is the G key. Hit the tab, the G key. Also, as shown here, this is gonna be showing up this pie menu as shown here. Escape to undo the action. So you should select the mesh that you want to apply some operations on it. So hit the G key again, and this is gonna be showing this pie menu over there. First of all, we need to explain just the Boolean operation as shown here. I'm gonna be starting with difference. So let's just zoom in again. Hold the left mouse button, then drag, then release the mouse button, then drag your cursor. Drag it out all the way down like this. Click on left mouse button to create this Boolean cutter to make a difference. Also, if you want to change it to another, to another shape like silent or something like that, so hold, drag, you draw on the surface, then release the left mouse button, then drag it out all the way along the x-axis like this. I'm gonna be changing it to another thing, for example Aquasphere, UV sphere, for example. So let's make the shape shown here. To have created this Boolean cutting, draw this default cube as shown here. If you want also to make some adjustment, or let's tap to object mode like this in order to see what you have here. Also, we have created this grid shape using the just Boolean process. So let's see how to apply this Boolean modifier. Select the cube, go over here, I think, yes. Apply. Then you should select the other cutters like this cutter. Also, click on this and apply. And select the cutter also and apply its boolean modifier. So hit X to delete. And you have got this great shape due to the action of the boolean modifier in this Bagapie add-on as shown here. So let's move on and show you another great feature by hitting the G key. Also, let's see, we have another great feature for this boolean modifier. For example, make this, and we can change the shape to cylinder as shown here. Drag to the surface, then hold and release the left mouse button, also like this. Up to object mode as shown here. Just I'm gonna be applying the boolean modifier on this panel. Then select the default cube. Also, you should apply the modifier like this. And you can delete the cutter, this cutter for boolean modifier. And in this case, I have applied what we call this the union operation for the boolean modifier as shown here.